So in this video we are going to learn how to install some Vscode extensions using or useful in React. So the first one that we are going to install is ES7 plus React / Redux / React snippet / React native snippet. So this means that you can use this ES7 extension in any of these different platforms, either in React or in Redux or in React Native. Then you're going to install the import cost that is beneficial for informing us the size of each of the packages that we install into our React project. Then the simple React snippet is somehow similar like this, but it gives you some other functionality that does not come with the ES7. So let's install those now. So I've already installed them, so I'll go to my extension tab on my Vscode and make sure you're connected to the internet. Then I'm going to search for the first one, ES7. So you're going to install this one by Snyder. So if you click on the extension, it's going to show you some of the things that you can use it to do. So it works for Windows, Linux, and this. So these are some of the things that you can use it to do. So you can use it to create any of these or any of these imports. So these are the shortcuts. So if you want to speed up your development process, you can test out the shortcuts, but that is not the essence of this video. So the next one that we are going to install is the import cost. The import cost. So if you type it correctly, it's going to come. You're going to install this one by Wiz. So what it will help us to do is to show the size of the imports that we make. Okay, so the last one is simple React snippet. And that is it here. So you're going to install this one by Bokeh Holland. So this one is still similar to this ES7, but it has some other functionalities that is not included in this. So install it. Then there is a Chrome extension that you have to install. So let me show you that. React Chrome extension, so that you can use that to debug your React if needed. So I already have it. So how this works is that if you open a React project, it's going to show you red that this is a React project, and if you click on it, this page is using React, so it will just show you this information. But how to use it, I think you click here, you go to components and profiler. So if you go to this component, it's going to show you like a component tree of everything that I have here. So you see it's pointing the component just like that. So you can use it to debug or to learn from a React project. So that is the basic installation that you need to run React, and you are going to use most of this in this video. So in the next video we are going to learn about React environment and where we should write our code and where we should not touch. So see you in the next video.